The 80s continue. Starting to see some fair weather clouds like from our Lamoni and Marshalltown sky cams, but we are going to continue with the dry conditions. And not just today, but it's been a pretty dry month of September. This is the departure from the average that we should be seeing. You see most of the area, not just in that shade of yellow, which is abnormally dry when it comes to the drought monitor, but it is saying around more than 2 inches. A lot of places even close to around 2.5 or greater deficit for the month of September. Even farther south, that's really the only place you're seeing we're actually above average. Lamoni area and surrounding spots in south central Iowa did see a decent amount of rainfall earlier on this month, but everywhere else in the state, very dry. In fact, this will be the 6th driest on record for Des Moines, from the Des Moines airport, saying that we haven't really seen a lot of rain. Only 2 days of measurable rain in the month of September. So that aside, we are now looking at more of these winds as far as the south winds picking up later on this afternoon, all ahead of the cold front. It's going to be a dry cold front, but you can tell off to the west, those stronger winds, the shade of red, that's going to make its way into the state as we get deeper into the afternoon. This is around 5 and 6 o'clock. Starting to see around 20 to 25 mile per hour wind gusts. That wind shift from the northwest, not over the metro just yet. That's going to be until around 8 or 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock now, frozen on the screen. We are now past the cold front. That means the cooler air is going to start to move in. A little bit of a cool breeze. A little windy as we even wake up for Tuesday morning. We're going to continue with that breeze just throughout the morning. It's going to die down a bit as we get more so into the afternoon, and we'll just have that north prevailing wind persistent even as we go into Tuesday night, and that's going to bring those cooler temperatures. You can see that cold front stretching from all the way into Canada, passing through Minnesota right now, just on the northwestern tip of the state. Hasn't quite entered Iowa just yet. Some fair weather clouds popping up, but as we talk about the timing, around 5 o'clock, it's impacting our northwestern counties and then continuing to make its way over the state. By 10 o'clock, it's to our east and it's continuing to make its way out that way. We're going to be behind the cold front. That means the cooler air moving in Tuesday morning, Tuesday night, and even going into Wednesday. We're talking 40s for the overnight lows Wednesday morning. Today's forecast, we are warm. We're having highs back in the mid 80s to upper 80s. We're dropping down in the 40s and 50s overnight tonight, but the 8-day forecast keeping us very dry throughout the rest of the week and for the upcoming weekend.